Because for clicking that like button, Gakina Awia, give us a thumbs up. Put your thumbs in the air like you just don't care. Like you grow out your hair. For long as the wind blows and the grass grows and the water flows, I will fight no more forever. That's what a famous Indian said.
That's what Chief Seattle said.
Chief Seattle. The original peacenik. I think that's what the hippie movement based their life on.
Chief Seattle?
Yeah, think about it. Seattle is kind of a hotbed for hippies. But before the grunge movement, Chief Seattle, did he live in Seattle?
I don't even know.
Maybe he did live in Seattle. Maybe Seattle's just named after him. But you think about hippies, they were anti-war. They wore braids. They had fringe vests. Hippies were just new wave Indians.
Yeah,
I will fight no more forever. Bare my heart at wounded knee. What's your favorite, who's your favorite Indian?
Who's my favorite? My grandpa.
Oh, okay. Sunny day. What do you think, Nanaboozhoo? Did you want to get up and say hello to the BOOZHOO crew?
Yeah, sure.
Well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna mahjong. Maja means to leave. I'm gonna go sit over there or something. Or I'll switch. Maybe I'll just switch seats with you.
Okay.
First.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And we'd like to invite you to join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today,
candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons. And new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you. And of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Times like a mountain skate. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain.
God knows I've got my own
escape. Hey, sweetie,
Yeah?
you want to take a call?
Oh, sure. I'll take a call. Line 2.
On line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey there, Nanaboozhoo, it's me, President Zelensky.
Oh, hey. Hey, sweetie, it's that the friend of Greta Thunberg's.
Oh, hi, Mr. Zelensky, what's going on? Hi, Natasha. I just wanted to call in because I wanted to, I kind of want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day.
Don't you got more important things to worry about right now?
What do you mean?
Well, aren't you at war or something?
Oh, yeah. War is really bad on the environment.
Yeah, is that what Greta was teaching you?
Yeah. Me and Greta are dating.
You're dating Greta Thunberg?
Yeah. I mean, she's like a head taller than me, but I love her.
Oh, well, congratulations. What's that you got in your hand there?
Oh, this I got this from Sean Penn. It's an Academy Award. he won this for a dead man walking.
Yeah, that's right. I got an Academy Award. It's a very prestigious honor because of my role in Dead Man Walking. Oh, hey, Sean Penn. Hi, Nanaboozhoo. How you doing? Listen, I got to tell you something, and I don't know if you're going to want to hear this, but I'm going to tell you anyway. What's that? I know what you're trying to do here. You know, yeah, you're trying to have some laughs, but, you know, it's not funny. War is very serious, and the environment is very serious, and vaccinations are very serious. Yeah, okay. And, you know, you can go out there, you can make little jokes and stuff, but I'm here fighting the fight. I'm doing my part for the war and for the environment. Look, I gave him a statue. Yeah, that's a nice statue there, Spicoli. Hey, don't call me that. I mean, Mr. Penn. Yeah, okay. Look at my arms. Yeah, yep, you got a lot of veins in that arm. Yeah, buddy. You know, this is my buddy.
Yeah. Later on, we're gonna go on a yacht, have a yacht party with you know, what's her name?
Oh, Greta Thunberg?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see what she looks like in a bikini.
Ugh. All right, you guys, I gotta go.
No, what's the Ojibwe phrase of the day?
Oh, yeah. Ojibwe phrase of the day is, Nigis. Okay, hang on. Gotta get you guys out of here. Niki Washquabi. I am drunk.
Niki Washquabi. I am drunk. I'm gonna get drunk, and then I'm gonna go go out on a date with my girlfriend, Greta Thunberg.
Okay. Listen, you guys, gotta go. Yeah, it's not funny, man. I know what you're trying to do here, and it's not funny. Yeah, okay. You said that, Sean. Here's a phrase. I will see you again. Gigawa min. Minawa. Yeah, gigawa min. Minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Gigawa min. Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. Hey, wait.
Well, there you go.
A couple of heavy hitters on the world stage.
Yep. Good luck with all that. I guess he's dating Greta Thunberg.
I know, that's crazy.
Man, these are the days of fate are strong for what's his face, President Zelensky.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, I mean, he went from being a comedy actor to a president to a guy who doesn't know how to dress appropriately when he goes and visits the White House. He's always wearing like janitor clothes.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And now he's falling in love with Greta Thunberg. He met with her just the other day. And I think they went out on his yacht and had champagne.
Really?
No, I'm making that up.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes it just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around. You'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.